Good morning students, nice to meet you again. This is Gopal from Department of Chemistry, Bharadasana Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today we are going to see the first 10 elements of the periodic table and wherever it is present. Shall we start? Good. The first element in the periodic table is hydrogen. The hydrogen atomic number is 1, so it has 1 proton and 1 electron. No neutrons present in this hydrogen because in the periodic table then one and only element which contains 0 neutrons is hydrogen. And whenever the hydrogen contains neutron, it may be exist in its isotopes form as deuterium and tritium. Wherever you can see hydrogen, hydrogen may be present as hydrogen gas or in liquid water. The liquid water formula is H2O. It contains 2 number of hydrogen with oxygen. The valency for hydrogen is 1. So, hydrogen can combine with 1 atom like HCl, hydrochloric acid may contain the formula 1 hydrogen and 1 chlorine. Okay. And our next element is helium. The symbol for helium is He. Its atomic number is 2. So, it contains 2 number of protons in its nucleus and it also contains 2 number of electrons. So, number of protons and electrons are equal. Wherever you can see helium, the helium is used in helium balloons. So, helium due to its low mass, it is used in the balloon also. Due to its low weight, it can fly over the sky. And our next element is lithium. The symbol for lithium is Li and its atomic number is 3. So, lithium contains 3 number of protons and lithium mainly used in the batteries. For example, the car batteries or cell phone batteries also may contain the lithium. Nowadays, the lithium batteries are going in the advanced research. And our fourth element is beryllium, Be. The symbol for beryllium Be. The atomic number for beryllium is 4. Beryllium is a metal, it is a silvery white metal. This metal can be used in making of electrical equipments, automobile equipments or silvery white color shining materials. So, this beryllium contains atomic number 4 and next element is atomic number 5, boron. For considering boron, the boron may be present in another form as the boric acid, borax like things. Let us consider the borax. The borax is the material made up of glass. So, it is a glass material. It may be used to making of laboratory materials. So, due to its glass making property, we can make different borax glasses in different colors also. And next our sixth element is carbon. Atomic number for carbon is 6 and it contains 6 number of protons. So, wherever you can see carbon, carbon is an essential element because naturally the organic things contains the carbon atom. So, carbon studying chemistry also denoted as organic chemistry. So, carbon may be present as carbohydrates or hydrocarbons. What is the difference between carbohydrate and hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons may contain carbon and hydrogen, but carbohydrate contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Mostly the hydrocarbons may be petrol, coal, diesel, kerosene like things. So, it is a fuel materials and carbohydrate, it is one of the minerals for our food health and it is present in vegetables, fruits or our food materials. And our seventh element is nitrogen, N7. So, it contains 7 number of protons. So, atomic number for nitrogen is 7. Nitrogen mostly present in our atmosphere. So, one of the gas which present in 70% in the atmosphere is nitrogen. So, this nitrogen gas may also be used to prepare nitrogen compounds. for example ammonia, amines, and it may be used as fertilizers. So, it is very essential for agriculture purpose. And our next element is eighth one, oxygen. The atomic number for oxygen is 8. It contains 8 number of protons. You all know the oxygen is essential one. We are breathing the oxygen gas, you know. So, it is very essential one. Without oxygen we can't live. And next one, ninth element, fluorine. Fluorine can make fluorocompounds. The fluorine compounds is used in toothpaste. Fluorine can have the ability to stop the tooth decay, and fluorine can make the acid hydrofluoric acid. It is very effective. Hydrofluoric acid you can be used to draw the arts on the glasses. And our last element, 10th one, neon. Neon is nowadays used in indicator lights. Neon can be used in the lamps, electrical lights to appear in the different colors. Thanks for making time to watching this. Thank you.